Have you ever, and do you ever feel like your benefits are just too confusing to deal with, so you put it off? Or like you're trying to make important decisions, but the paperwork and the policies feel like they're written in another language? Look, you're not alone. If you're a federal or a postal employee, you've probably been told that your benefits are great, but no one really sat down and explained what they really mean to you and what does that exactly mean. And that's what we're going to do in this video, because today we're talking about benefits counseling help, what it is, why it's for you, and how it could save you time, money, and stress. We enjoy producing these videos, and if you find value in them, would you please click the like and the subscribe button. Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts on Saturday. And back to the videos. So let's begin. What is benefits counseling help? Well, it's simply support, real human support that helps you understand the benefits you already have access to. Things like health insurance options, retirement plans, financial guidance, and mental wellness resources. Most federal employees are eligible for this kind of help, but very few actually use it. Maybe it's because no one told you about it, or maybe it's because you thought it would be too complicated to figure out. But here's the truth. Getting benefits counseling isn't about doing more. It's about finally getting clarity. You can make great choices that will actually fit your real life. If you've ever wondered about picking the right health plan for your family, wondering how much money you'll actually need for retirement, feeling stressed about debt, budgeting, or just making it all together to come to work, or struggling quietly with mental health or not knowing who to talk to, then benefits counseling help is just for you. Let's break it down even more. First, let's talk about health insurance help. If you've ever looked at your plan options and felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. The deductibles, the co-pays, out-of-network, it's a whole lot. A counselor can sit with you one-on-one and walk you through what each plan really means. They'll help you think about your family size, your medical needs, and your budget. No more guessing, no more picking something that just because, well, it sounded okay. So you can make smart, informed choices with confidence. What about retirement planning? This is number 2. Maybe retirement feels far off. Or maybe it's just around the corner. Either way, understanding your TSP, pension, and other options really, truly matter. A benefits counselor can help you look at the whole picture. They're there to help you figure out what your income might be after retirement and what you need to do to prepare, or even how to avoid the common pitfalls, and there's plenty. It's not just about savings, it's about planning for a life that you can actually enjoy. Number 3, financial wellness. Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Most people are. Do you worry about emergencies or how you'll afford college for your kids? Benefits counseling can often help you, and it includes financial coaching. Now, this is guidance that helps you make a plan, take control of your budget, and reduce the daily stress of just getting by. Sometimes it's having someone to talk to about money, and that can make a huge difference. What about number 4, mental health and emotional support? We know that you work hard and you carry a lot for your job, your co-workers, your family, but sometimes you also carry that weight alone. Most federal agencies and the United States Postal Service offer employee assistance program. These EAPs, they give you access to confidential counseling, mental health support, and even help with family or work-related stress. Take advantage of that, please. This part of your benefits is there to help you stay well, not just physically, but emotionally too. But here's the thing, if you don't ask for it, you may never get it. That's where benefits counseling comes in to help you. And it's like having a guide to help you get the right answers to the right questions, find the right programs, and feel empowered again. So, how do you actually get help? That's a good question. If you're a federal or a postal employee, you can usually start by contacting your agency's HR or looking up your EAP online. Some services are right there in the benefits portal, just waiting to be used. And if you want a human touch, someone who's not just reading from a script, that's where we come in. At the Benefit Coordinators, we've helped literally thousands of federal and postal employees just like you. We explain benefits in plain old English. We help you find the gaps in your current coverage and help you fix them. We make sure that you're not missing anything that's already available to you. And we're not trying to sell you here something that you don't even need. We're here to help make sure that you get what you already deserve, the support, the protection, and the peace of mind. Because we believe that your career should give back to you, not just leave you feeling confused or alone when it matters most. So if you've ever thought, I wish someone would just walk me through all this, that's exactly what benefits counseling help is for. You don't need to figure this out on your own because we are here for that. So the next step, reach out, ask questions, talk to someone who can help. Because the benefits are already there, you just need someone to help make sense of them. And if that's what you've been searching for, well, you've come to the right place.